Hi everyone, it's Kirsten from Redfield Crafts. Welcome back. Today is March 3rd, 2021. So this past week, a little over a week since my last yarn chat video, I haven't really been doing much besides work on one major project that I have been wanting to make for some time now, and I am so close to being done. I was really hoping to be done with this project for this video, but unfortunately I'm not. But that's okay. I am almost done. I'm like, I think 95% there of the way of being done with this little project, and I'm so excited. But before I share the main project that I have been working on this past week, as you may know, I am working on my 2021 temperature blanket because this is our first year in Texas, so I wanted to do one of these temperature blankets. So I did just upload a video, I think yesterday, of my progress update on the blanket. So if you want to go check that out, I will leave the link to that video in the description box down below. If not, I will just show you guys what it looks like so far for the months of January and February. So this is the temperature blanket so far. It's obviously folded over so I can fit it in the screen or frame for you guys. But this bottom half right here is January, and then the top half right here is February. And you can tell right here with this big block of purple, that was our big winter storm that we had, where it was in the below freezing temperatures for like a week and a half. So that was fun. Besides that, I have been working on, just trying to get this stuff over here, a couple hats for my nieces for Christmas, because this year for Christmas I am making all of them an elf or Santa style hat. And in my last video, this pattern right here, so this hat right here, it is called the, I think, Jester hat. It's a video tutorial by Crystal over at Bag O Day. I will definitely leave that tutorial in the description box down below. But I really like this, and come to find out, my sister really loves this pattern, loves this hat. So I had asked her if, not my oldest niece, but the two, I guess, middle nieces, I don't know, they're like 4 and 5 years old. I asked if they would like them too, because I made this one for their little sister who is like 3 years old, and she said yes, that they would love it. So I made 2 more of that style hat. So this is for the oldest one, who would be 6. It's green with the white, ooh, that white's really blown out, with the white pom-poms right there. So big beanie, that's done. I'm so happy to have that one done. And then the next one, other one, which I had not finished yet. I haven't added the pom-poms or sewn in any of my ends, but that will be done probably later tonight. But it's this one, it's just purple, and then it's gonna have the pom-poms right there, and then obviously the white brim. So yeah, and that is the other one that I am working on. And now the last thing that I've been working on, and the main thing that has taken over basically my life the past week, is I am making the Everyday Cardigan by Ashley over at Sewrella.com. She has a video tutorial and she has the pattern in her blog. I will leave a link to both of those in the description box down below if you are interested in making this cardigan as well. Now, I am not done with this yet, but I have basically the back panel and then the 2 front panels completed, because it's all done in one piece. so I can't really show you guys. But this is what it looks like so far. I just haven't sewn the side up yet. I am waiting to get the sleeves done or completely finished before I do that, so I can just sew everything together at once. But this is how it's looking. Now, I made mine extra long, so I think her pattern only went to, got fuzzes all over it. I think it went to only like maybe 60 rows, and I think I did like 75 or 80 rows. I want mine a little bit longer, mainly because I am taller than what Ashley over at Sewrella is. I think she said in the instructions she's 5'5". I'm 5'7", 5'8", so I wanted mine definitely a little bit longer to fit me. So that's what I did. Is this the first one? No, this is the first one. And then I was working on the sleeve. I am also doing this in a size large. I want it to be a little bit more oversized, but as I'm thinking about it, I think I probably should have done the medium. We will see if I really like it, how this looks after I'm done. I will probably, more than likely, go back and make it again in a medium size. But then I did one sleeve right there. It's got the little cuff. Now, she says to do like 55, I think, or 56 rows. It comes up to right here on me. I didn't do the 55 or 56 rows. I think I stopped at like 54 because I don't know how it's going to look when it's attached. So, but it's already like down to my palm. So, first sleeve is done. And then, tangled up. This is where I am at my second sleeve. I have like 3 or 4 more rows or rounds, because it's in the round. 3 or 4 more rounds to go, and then my second sleeve will be done as well. So far, this one sleeve has taken almost a full skein of yarn, and I knew I wasn't going to have enough to, you know, sew it all up and then do the collar part of this. So I actually went back to Hobby Lobby yesterday to get some more of this yarn. And it was so sad. So sad. They were definitely in the process of stocking their yarn and possibly adding more yarn or brand new yarns, because they had a whole bunch of boxes everywhere in the aisles. And when I went to this section for this brand, or for this kind, there was only one little ball left. Just this one was left, and I was so disappointed because I needed 2 more. So, I'm hoping that this ball will be enough to do the collar, to finish it off. If not, that just means I have to go back to Hobby Lobby and get another one, and if they have it. But this yarn that I'm using for this cardigan, which I'm so sorry I didn't even tell you guys that, I am using Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek. It's their low pill fiber. 5 ounces, 232 yards. The color is dark heather gray. It is a 4-weight yarn. 100% low pill acrylic. So it's this nice, like, dark charcoal kind of color, which I am a very, very neutral kind of color person. I don't really go for the brights and the in-your-face colors. I kind of stay more muted. But I'm slowly trying to break out of my comfort zone and experiment with new colors. But mostly I grab and gravitate towards the darker colors. So, yeah. That is basically what I have been working on. Oh, and I'm using a 6.5 or K crochet hook for my cardigan. I believe that's the crochet hook she recommends, the size hook she recommends. And I thought that the 6.5 was going to make the holes a little bit too big, and you can definitely see through. But 6.5, you can't really see the gaps too much. And this is all done. This entire entire cardigan is done in half double crochets, except for the collar and the cuffs of the sweater. That is done in the front post, back post, double crochets. The only thing with this cardigan that I did differently is when you start your sleeves, you start basically at the cuff part, and I didn't really want to start with just the double crochet front post, back post, so I did a row of single crochet first, and then I did a row of double crochet, and then started the front post, back post. I just like the way it looks. I think it gives it a nice clean edge. So yeah, hoping to have this done by tomorrow, and if I do, I will probably post a little clip or a picture of this cardigan. So sorry about that interruption. My phone shut off on me. My alarm went off to go pick my kids up from the bus stop, but I can wait a couple more minutes. What was I saying? Oh, once I am done with this cardigan, which I'm hoping to have it done by tomorrow, the absolute latest, I will put a little video clip or probably a picture of me wearing the cardigan up on my Instagram page. So if you would like to follow me on Instagram, I will have the link to it, to my Instagram page, in the description box down below. So yeah, I think that's it. That's all that I have to share with you guys today. Haven't been working on much. I do have a few ideas of projects that I do want to start after I'm done with this cardigan. So one of them is my very first amigurumi. I'm so excited to start that, or to try it. We'll see how it comes out. I bought a big bag of polyfill when I was at Hobby Lobby yesterday, so I'm excited to attempt to make my first amigurumi. I'm so excited. Alright, now I have to go. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you all next week. Bye, everybody.